Okay, how to make plugs quick, easy. Run the drill press. We cut these out with a drill press. We take a piece of tape and cover the whole thing. Some blue tape. Bring it over to the saw. Table saw, which we already have set up. What I did was the last batch. Cut out here. I use that to space it up against the fence. Now, be able to take this, our piece that we got, the holes already drilled, put some tape over it. Tape will hold all these plugs from falling out while it goes through the table saw. We hope. Let's try it out. I had to go get my safety push stick. Now we take the tape, the blue tape, and we put it right up against the fence this way. We run it through the table saw like this, using the push stick. And look, not all the holes, we didn't get all of them, so we're going to take a little bit more off than that. The fence a little. Run it back through. And there we have them. Plugs will come right out. They don't fall all over the table saw when you're doing that. Okay.